Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Vim in VS Code. And by that, I mean the Vim key bindings. So we want to go to this icon here. It's like the block icon. It's the extensions icon. You can do a keyboard shortcut to get here of Control-Shift-X, or you can just click on it. And you'll see I have some extensions installed for C and C++. If I want to install the Vim key bindings, I'm going to type Vim. And we see this Vim emulation for Visual Studio Code, and it's by VS Code Vim. If I click on this, I see that this is a free extension and has about, at the time of this recording, almost 7 million installs, so it's pretty popular. I'm going to click Install, and then I'm going to close that out. And now you notice a block here. So when I go here, in my file, I've got a block. So if I start doing K, or if I do like 5K, you'll see I went up 5 spots there. 5J went down 5 spots. If I want to do YY4P, then I, duplicate the line 4 times. So you see that the Vim key bindings, I'm doing V now, and the $sign, and I'll just do D to delete that. And I'll do Shift and the right arrow to bring that back. So now I've got the Vim key bindings set up in VS Code, and I am ready to go. It's not, I wouldn't say it's 100% perfect as Vim, as the traditional Vim, but it's pretty close to all the key bindings. So if you want to run the Vim key bindings in VS Code, this is how you do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.